So down here looking at the linkage, you can see it's kind of sloppy right here. And I shouldn't be able to pull that out. The rubber piece is shot. So I ordered a new one. Comes in a pack of 2. So there's a part number. I put a link in the description. Fits in pretty good.